Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, 9th class. Hope you are all fine. Today we will discuss next topic, which is water balance problem. In this topic, we will discuss how plant and animal cell they adjust themselves in different conditions, or what is the effect of different type of solution on plant or animal cell. Okay, first of all, we will discuss how animal cells adjust themselves in different environment. For example, animal cell, when it is placed in hypotonic solution, what happened in hypotonic solution, this is hypotonic solution, water will move inside the cell. This is water, it will move from outside to inside, because in outside there is less concentration of solute and inside the cell there is more solute concentration. So water will move inside the cell, and cell swells and it rupture like an overfilled balloon. So when a plant's animal cell is placed in hypotonic solution, water will move into the cell from hypotonic solution to hypotonic solution, and it swells and it rupture like an overfilled balloon. Next is when plant cell is placed in isotonic solution. In isotonic solution, as you know, there is equal concentration of solute in both sides. Now the water which move into the side is equal to the water which move out of the cell. Okay, because concentration of solute is equal in both sides. So in this type of solution, animal cells remain normal. Okay, in hypertonic solution, water will move out of the cell because there is more solute concentration on outside of the cell. On outside of the cell there is more solute concentration, so water will move out of the cell, and now cell becomes shrink, and water actually move out because of the process of osmosis. In osmosis we have discussed water is always moved from less solute concentration to high solute concentration. So in hypertonic solution there is more solute concentration in environment, and inside the cell there is less solute concentration. So water will move from inside to outside and water gets shrink. Okay, so how animal basically then adjust themselves in different environment. For example, in hypertonic solution, some animals which live, for example, in fresh water, they must have ways to prevent excessive entry of water, because water is moved into the cell. Okay, similarly, the animals which live in hypertonic solution, for example, in sea water, they must have ways to prevent excessive loss of water. Okay, they don't lose extra water. Okay, they must have ways to adjust themselves. Okay, now next is how plant adjust themselves in different type of solution. For example, in hypotonic solution, in isotonic solution and hypertonic solution, how they adjust themselves. First of all, in hypotonic solution, water will move into the cell because there is less solute concentration. Actually, what plant it react differently from animal cell because it have rigid cell wall. Because of rigid cell wall, what happens? When water enter into the cell, because there is less extracellular fluid inside the cell. So what happens? As a result, water will move into the cell, and then first of all it move into the cell and then into the vacuole. So water will move into the vacuole, and now then this vacuole get expand, and then what happen? Due to strong cell wall, plant cell does not rupture because there is a strong cell wall around the cell, and but what happens? It become rigid. Okay, because there is more water inside the vacuole, and it get rigid. In this condition, the outward pressure on the cell wall exerted by the internal water is called turgor pressure. Turgor pressure basically is the pressure on the cell wall exerted by the internal water which is present inside the cell exert a pressure on the cell wall, which is called as a turgor pressure, and this phenomena is known as turgor. Okay, so in plant cell, when it is placed in hypotonic solution, it becomes turgid. This is basically a normal condition. Most of the plant, they remain in this condition. Okay, and next is in isotonic solution. In isotonic solution, because rate of entering of this water is equal to the rate of moving out of the water. So what happen in isotonic solution? Plant cell become flaccid or normal. They get normal. And in hypertonic solution, what happened? Water will move out from the cell. Okay, and during this condition, plant cell loses water. Okay, this plant cell now it loses water, and then its cytoplasm shrink, and this basically process is known as plasmolysis. So this shrinking of plasmolysis, cytoplasm is known as plasmolysis. Okay, so in hypertonic solution, plant cell become shrink. So so that's how plant and animal cells, they adjust themselves in different type of solution. Okay, you will learn it thoroughly. It's very important topic. पेपर्स में आ जाता है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल डिफरेंट टाइप्स के सोल्यूशन का फैक्ट पूछ लिया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल एनिमल सेल्स, व्हाट हैपन व्हेन एनिमल सेल इज प्लेस्ड इन हाइपोटोनिक सोल्यूशन, आइसोटोनिक सोल्यूशन, हाइपोटोनिक सोल्यूशन. इसी तरह डिफरेंट प्लांट सेल का भी पूछ लिया जाता है, और क्वेश्चन में टर्गर प्रेशर का भी पूछा जाता है. व्हाट इज टर्गर प्रेशर? इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज definition is given here, and plasmolysis का भी, this is important definition. Okay, okay, I think you will, it's enough, and you will learn it from today. Allah Hafiz, and take care.